Hey guys, let's do a short little video. I'm here in the boat and I want to show you a couple of things that like my battery and my inverter and things like that. Let me grab the camera here real quick. Okay, what I have here is one battery right there. It's a deep cycle marine battery. I have the 2000 watt Jupiter 4000 watt peak inverter. I have 2 gauge wires going to it. I have my 4 solar panels up on the roof. It's coming down through the wires here. I still have to put those wires up. Going down in back of the wall, down and to the battery and to the charge controller, which I have my 2 lights hooked up right here, and then I have them up here, one right there and the other right here, and they light up the whole place at night. But what I'm going to do now is I've got this fan and I'm going to plug it into the inverter and see if it comes on, and then I've also got this coffee pot. I'm going to see if it'll run water. Let's do that. Alright, here's the fan. I'm not sure the fan works at all. But let's try it, see what happens. It's got 3 plugs on it. I'm going to plug it up, turn it on. It runs the fan. Now, I'm not sure how long it's going to run the fan, but I imagine just having this one fan hooked up and on that one battery, it'll last forever. Alright, well, I'm happy with that. Let's get rid of that. And then let's try to run this coffee maker. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Fill it up with some water. Yeah, that's about enough. Alright, again, that's one battery, a 2000 watt inverter, a brand new Mr. Coffee 12 cup coffee maker. Let's see if it'll come on. The green light's on anyway. But I don't hear nothing. Oh, wait a minute, there it is. I hear something. And looky there. I'm not sure you can see that, but it is running coffee. I'm going to test it, see if it's hot after it's done. Okay, it's just been a couple of minutes since I've had the coffee running, and the fan has kicked on twice. Plus, if you can see this power indicator, it's about halfway. Now, I'm not sure what that means, but there's the fan again, kicking on. It's got 2 fans in the back, and I'm just sure it's cooling itself off. It's taken a while to run that coffee. Okay, the coffee is done. The water is hot. Very hot. That's awesome. Plus, I also wanted to show you that I have a 30-gallon tank down here, and it's got a 2-gallon per minute pump on it. I got the wires going over to the battery. Plus, I have the water hose up to a sink, which is right there. And when you turn it on, water comes out. It does make a little noise, but hey, that's just part of the pump. Shut it off, water's done. I do have a 5-gallon bucket down here. I am going to put a lid on that, cut a little hole in it so it just don't slosh around everywhere. And then whenever it gets filled up, I'll just toss it over. And then I'm also going to put a T right down here with another cord that will stretch all the way outside here where I can take a shower. I bought a shower head, and that's what I plan on taking my showers with. Hey y'all, just a quick video. I wanted to show you some of the things I'm doing inside the boat. I'm still going to give you a boat tour, probably next video. And just doing some odds and end things, putting up some paneling, putting up some shelving where I can keep my food and spices and pots and pans down below and everything. And I'm just going to make some short little videos for you. So if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions on what I should change, please leave a comment down below. And share the video. I need as many people as I can get, up to 1,000, so I can start getting some paid for this. Alright, hey, thanks guys. It's getting close. We'll see you soon.